Finally, the Hailuo AI 2.3 is up, and Hailuo AI has got the biggest update, and it's of the model 2.3 because it features next level body movements, physical realism, and smart prompt following. So in this today's video, we are exactly gonna test its capabilities, and let's start with the video. So as you can see at very first, we get plenty of prompts here. So the first effect is of this sweeping light, and it's absolutely amazing. And as you can see here, it also consists of the glowing light as well as the wireframe, which we can include in our videos, and it look ultra high realistic. So if you are a user of Hailuo AI, you might know the before models, they didn't have this much capabilities. And just look at this camera zoom, right? We can even implement all this stuff in our videos which we are gonna generate. And just in this video, we are gonna test its absolute capability of generating various different types of videos. So just look at the camera movement, it has been improved a lot, and the main focus of this 2.3 is on the next level physical realism as well as the body movement too. So we are gonna test it by generating different types of ultra high realistic and hard videos, you can say, like on which we are gonna test its capability. And just look at this, even the tears and all, it look ultra high realistic, right? And this ballet dancer too, so it's gonna be absolute awesomeness. So basically we are just exploring the simple prompts here which are ready made. You can even use it by just copy pasting or selecting the exact prompt. And just look at this dance, like nobody will ever say that this is AI generated, right? So there are plenty of the prompts here which you can select by yourself, even this belly dancer prompt too. Just look at the accuracy, and that is why the Hailuo AI is in hashtag second place all over the globe across all these tools. And now we are all done with it. So these were all the prompts which we have seen, and now let's start the actual video. Now what we'll do is, at very first we'll go with the realism close-up. Okay, so basically the video which we are gonna generate, it's all about focusing on the real realism, you can say. So just look at this, the prompt is very much simple: high detail cinematic shot of a young woman's face, and the expressions I have defined it. And now let's see what our output will be. So basically this is the output one, and look at the accuracy, look at the zoom, look at her expression, it's absolutely perfect, right? And now what I'll do is I'll generate second output too based on the same prompt, and this look ultra high realistic. Just look at this. And what I have done is I have just added a bit of tears, and just look at it, it's looking absolutely perfect. So at very first it has completed our first test, and this is the second one. Now look at the body movement, right? It's all absolutely perfect, like no lag at any scene, you can say, or no, not even screen drop at any of the effect, right? So this is completely awesome. And now let's try it highest capability. Okay, and it's the domino effect. Now we are gonna generate the domino effect here, and let's see what will it generate. Thus, in order to tell you guys, this video, this domino effect is very tough for the AI generators to create it, and as you can see, it has already created it in the easy way. And now let's generate something like fluid dynamics, okay, or the object splashing, you can say. So finally the prompt is up, and I have just created this, and look at the graphics of the water, look at the motion of the water, it's absolutely amazing. Even though it's lagging with some of the graphics, you can say, like it's so much minimal, but it's absolutely impressive. And after that, let's go for like hair close simulation too. And look at this, the camera movement, like the cloth animation and his hairs waving with the wind, it's absolutely perfect. And this is what the actual capability of Hailuo 2.3 is. And let's go for some kind of complex destruction video. It's like just a car hitting the structure, you can see. And then look at the graphics here. So this is what the absolute capability of Hailuo AI. So in this way you can even try this out, and I'm damn sure that you will love it. And soon this gonna be option is gonna be visible to you, so make sure that you try this up. And trust me, Hailuo AI is improving a lot, and it's gonna be a biggest game changer in this AI tools. So we'll meet in the next video.